Hey guys, it's your girl Melanie, and today we have a very exciting video. Since I did this, I've been kind of into painting stuff. You know, I wouldn't call myself like an artist by any means. I'm not that artsy. I really enjoy painting. I'm not very good at it. Yeah, it's very fun. It's a cool hobby, but since I've done that, I've been into painting. Just like everything I see, I'm like,
I should paint that. I could paint that. I want to paint that.
I painted this. I paint everything. You guys seem to enjoy those painting videos. It's also just a fun way to, you know, like,
be a little unique.
because. So I figured I would just bring you guys along and show you guys some of the stuff I'm painting. Today, I am painting AirPods. I've been wanting to do this for a really long time. These aren't even mine. These are my friend's AirPods. He's letting me paint them. That's a lot of trust. I'm kind of scared. An AirPods case, I'm pretty sure, is $69. It's kind of expensive. That's more expensive than a hydro flask. He showed me a picture of what he wants painted. Just gonna show you guys that real quick during this little intro spiel. Hello. Something like this. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Yeah, let's get started. Alright guys, this is old Melanie. saying peace out. Thanks for watching. I don't really know how they turned out. Hopefully they turned out good. Editing Melanie will let you know what she thinks. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Tell me what other things I should paint. I already have a list of things, so get excited for all of those. I'm really excited for them. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Love you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.